All right, let's get straight to it. You've got $1,000 in your Chime account and you're wondering if you can pull it all out in one go. Right? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of Chime withdrawal limits. Now, Chime is all about convenience and accessibility, but like any financial tool, it comes with its own set of rules. One of those rules is how much you can withdraw. So, can you actually withdraw a cool $1,000 in one shot? Let's break it down. First things first, Chime has a daily withdrawal limit. This means there's a cap on how much cash you can pull out in a single day. While the exact amount can fluctuate, as of this recording, it's typically around $515 per day. That's for both ATM withdrawals and over-the-counter withdrawals at banks or credit unions. So, if you need to get your hands on $1,000, you're going to have to spread it out over a couple of days. It might be a bit of a hassle, but it's the way Chime rolls. But wait, there's more. While you can only withdraw $515 per day, there's also a daily spending limit. This includes all your card purchases, ATM withdrawals, and over-the-counter withdrawals. The combined total for all these transactions is usually around $2,500 per day. So, technically, you could withdraw more than $515 in a day, but only if you're willing to keep your card purchases to a minimum. But let's be real, who wants to do that? Now, you might be thinking, okay, so I can't withdraw $1,000 in one go, but what if I really need it? Can I somehow bypass the limit? Well, short answer, no. Chime is pretty strict about these limits, and there's no secret loophole to get around them. But don't despair. There are other ways to get your hands on your money. You can always use your Chime card for purchases and then withdraw cash back from certain retailers. It might not be the most convenient option, but it's a workaround. Or, you could consider transferring the money to another bank account. Most banks have higher withdrawal limits, so you might be able to get your cash faster that way. Just keep in mind that there might be transfer fees involved. So, there you have it. Can you withdraw $1,000 from Chime in one go? Nope. But you can work around it. Remember, it's important to plan ahead and be aware of your spending and withdrawal limits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.